The special investigation team probing the alleged embezzlement of donations at the Ram Temple in Ayodhya is expected to submit its final report to the Uttar Pradesh government by July 17th. The three-member SIT was constituted in June and later received a 15-day extension to complete its investigation. The Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra Trust is expected to review the report's recommendations at its meeting on July 22nd. Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya said the government was awaiting the report and assured that strict action would be taken against those found guilty. The SIT's preliminary findings have already led to the registration of an FIR, the arrest of 8 accused, and the resignations of former Trust General Secretary Champat Rai and Trustee Anil Mishra. Rai has said he would respond only after the final report is submitted. The Supreme Court has also sought a status report while hearing petitions seeking a fair investigation, including demands for a CBI probe, a forensic audit, and a CAG audit of the Trust's finances. Meanwhile, the Trust said several corrective measures, including tighter cash handling procedures and enhanced surveillance, have already been introduced. The issue is also expected to reach Parliament. The Congress said it would raise the alleged Ram Temple donation scam and other governance issues during the upcoming monsoon session. The party also said it would oppose proposed constitutional amendment bills on delimitation and the dismissal of ministers and chief ministers.